De La Rosa. Nice shot. From Salapingaw. Okay, last touch. Set. Commissioner P. Mendoza. From BEP. Semo, 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Soriano. Airball. De La Rosa. 10 seconds to shoot. Moving ball to number 19. Rosario. That's a 2 points to number 28. Carrera. Under foul, committed by number 19. Illegal discipline number 19. First team foul, Salapingaw. A pass. 2 points. And then this is number 42 from Barangay Biel. Nice block.
Patunya doain ayo pwede. Pasok. Pakai sakyan mo.
Carrera. Tuloy lang tayo. Hindi yung po ay reklamo. Hindi lahat ng kontak pinatawagan. From Salapingaw, Pasipel. Rosario, Carrera. Uy, in and out. Rosario, nice pass. By jersey number 7. Molano. Official score 50-37. A foul committed by number 16. Muyano. Okay, pag mag-sub kayo dito sa may hindi na yung makit. Lapit lang dito sa table committee. 10 seconds to shoot. Another 2 point, jersey number 24. From the big man, by Salapingaw. Another rebound by Muyano. And pushing foul, number 2. wala na. Hello, 10 seconds to shoot. And still. Feliciano. Okay, that delivery was Asher. From Bimbago. Figuring to our commissioner Johnny. Rebound.
Masih may puta, masih ba?
Pushing foul number 21. Third personal foul number 21. Carrera. Well, last put back by jersey number 11, Feliciano. Okay, lamang na. Na 1 point. Control Moreno. Okay, result tayo. Time out. Barangay Grill. Bilman.
Jadi pun tayo.
Nice pass. Rebound by jersey number 24. Here the pass to number 11. To Carrera. Carrera ng press. Rebound by Carrera. Calling foul number 10, Flores. First personal foul. Second team foul. Barangay Salapingaw. Masih Cabrera. Rebound by number 11. Ganda na naman ito. Dikit! 53-52 with the time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Time's up. Nice ball. Bautista. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay, 2 points. Jersey number 14, Cruz. One minute and 50 seconds for the third quarter. Jersey number 11. De La Rosa Tucasi. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pushing foul number 5. 0-5.
Oy, Ben.
Time out Barangay Salapingaw.
Okay mga batid. Pero
To avoid jersey number 10. Receive. Jersey foul number 10. Carrera.
Hindi na batid.
De La Rosa. Brother. Third foul. Substitution. De La Concha. In. Under 2 points, goes to number 12. Daniel Reyes. Los Moles, 37.
Wait, daw, hindi sige. Kuya Rick.
10 seconds to shoot. To throw is jersey number 24.
Eh, check out.
And on the third quarter, official score 62-54.
Sa kaya?
And foul, 28. Carrera. 26.
26. 26. Third foul. Third.
26. Brother Carrera, third foul.
First team foul for quarter.
First team foul. Barangay Filipino.
Kay baby ko.
Unang free throw.
Puyok mo. Puyok mo yan eh. May pulas. Oh, baby. Huwag yun, ulit mga tuman. Balik ka rin, balik mo.
Bibigo! Bibigo! Tumama sa paa.
Benji Flores.
Lano. Vilalosa. Next step by Vilalosa. Score 62-58. Apat ng laban ng Barangay Salapinaw. Lebron.
Tawag na. Sige. Shot.
Tembong, Pedri Mata. Next shot, number 10. 66-58. Zero, Secretary Edgar Bautista. Sakal. Receive.
Five. Sabi ni Jojo.
From number 17, substitution. Number 17,
Third.
third foul. Number 2,
Long. Sige, masuk. Reserve time out, Bill. 10.
Belakang foul. Timeout. Barangay Youth. The time set last 7 minutes and 13 seconds. Official score.
Number 10. Apat lang, apat.
Apat na. Mr. Carrera.
De La Rosa.
De La Rosa. Okay, ang may sunod-sunod tayo po.
Eric, ayos mo.
May talunan. Hanap ko ng Pinjay, kagawad.
10.
Friends, to shoot.
5.
De La Rosa. Okay, to Ferry. Lalo na. 68-60. Segundo. Okay, for set. Segundo. Rafael. Okay. Bola. Offensive foul number 16. Number 16, five fouls.
Ay, may bigatan.
Nice pass. Number 1, Cabral, 2 points. This is number 15. Nice pass. Okay, nice good pass. by jersey number 2. Tyler carrying the ball, double mover. Nice ball. Substitution. Bautista, out. In favor of number 7, Modano, in. Molano. In, number 1, Gabriel. Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. And the foul weighted by number 19, black and foul.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul.
Second team foul.
Second team foul. Nice. Oh, alright. Untuk berubah by Segundo. Rosario to Gabriel. Segundo. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. Dapat by foul tayo. Nakita ng referee. Foul number 18. Pushing foul. Subdivision. Gabriel out. In favor of number 10, Flores.
Number 18, that's third personal foul.
14 seconds.
Third na yun.
Score, 72-62.
Partner na daw si ano.
By Barangay Filipino. 10. Goal to four. Helvetic number 10, Flores. Pass. Another 2 points. Position number 17. After steal.
Time out. Reserve time out. Mabulan ako nung mabulan ako nung time out. Mabulan.
Okay, may foul.
Pang-apat na yan.
Foul, pushing foul number 26.
Patira. Fourth. Fourth personal ni Machakaw.
Fourth personal foul number 26.
Magano. Away lang. Dito muna. Huwag kayong
Gusto na lamang tayo mga
pag-shoot yan, time out. Kasi pula nila eh. Pag-shoot yan, time out.
This timeout is brought to you by
Double foul. Number 7 and number 10. Position. Number 10. Si Flores. 10. Number
double foul, jersey number
10.
number 10 and number 7.
Wala no. 20-20.
Paul Wichita, number 2.
Ay, dito.
22, pushing foul. First set by Florida.
Magaling din ito. Bumabag ka lang.
52 by Soriano.
Lalo lang, kung tabusan mo na. Salamat. Balik sibigay na sagot.
Nice pass. Segundo. Rosario, number 10.
10 to short! Manang malaki. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. This is number 10. De La Rosa.
Hindi ka sa new wala. 1 minute. 1 minute 40 minutes.
Shot clock 21. Take a foul. Possession number 10.
Number 10. Third. Third foul. Flores.
Ay pass. Performance. Possession number 17. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Official score 79-70.
Orma.
10 seconds to shoot.
Foul number 18. Say score natin.
Hawkins foul number 8. Penalty.
Fourth personal foul number 18. Apat na yun. 18. Fourth personal foul si ano ah. Saka. Thrower.
We acknowledge the presence of our conqueror, Butay, Kagawan, Ipakmul, Ipakmul. Mga sponsor tayo, si Consilor.
minutes.
Suara lala ketika dia menggunakan. Holding foul number 7.
Akin na sumunod ka ng
Score 80-70. Tamplunan lamang nyo. Gagawa.
Nagkalasan ko ba namin? Nagkasayang pagpakita rin tayo.
Ini tayo lang. Kaya dinatang. Tyler Smith. 82-70. Ready, 2 points. Mike De La Rosa. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. De La Rosa. 10 last 10 seconds.
Nagagalaw doon.